You may not know it, but I'm actually pretty gangster. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before. Welcome back if you have. This is New Truck Tuesday, the last thing I ever need, but I keep doing it. So here we go. I had a guy hit me up on Facebook asking me about some parts I had, and I gave him a total. He said, "Are you looking for trades?" I said, "Normally I don't do a lot of trading, but what do you have?" He responded with pictures of this thing. Did I need this? Absolutely not. Was it worth it to trade it for me? Maybe. Do I kind of like it? Yeah. So basically what we have here is a RedCat Monte Carlo chassis, lowrider, whatever you want to call it, that has a HPI Escalade body on it, and it does have lights. Well, it did have lights. I drove it down the street, and all of a sudden the lights all shut off. Not really sure exactly what happened. Everything seems to be still connected. I didn't look at the receiver, so I've kind of messed with it, but it does have the 26's and the 5-spoke flavor, kind of knockoff Iraqi looking things. Now, the coolest part of this truck, it is basically stock other than the wheels. However, can you see that? Look at that. Look at that right there. This thing has freaking subs in it. It is a Bluetooth capable, ready, whatever you want to call it. The speakers work. Bluetooth right to your phone. You can blast whatever you want to from your phone. And it blasts out of these little subs. And it is super, super freaking cool. I didn't need this, but as soon as he showed me that, I was like, yeah, sure, whatever you want. And so now I have it. It is basically a stock RedCat. It does the up and down RedCat things. Has the normal RedCat radio. Turn it on. Plug it in.
Plug it in, plug it in.
There we go. Oh, hey, I have lights again. I have headlights. So that's always a good thing. So it does RedCat things. So you can lower it and kind of like do one of these things, you know, whatever. Drop it like it's hot. Put the front up. Put the rear up. Put these up. And then you also got the, so if you're up, you can hit the button. This is what it does. It is almost useless.
Like your mom.
But I think this is one of those things where, just like anything else in RC, it's really cool, and it's like a 4 out of 10 by yourself. However, if your friends have some, it's got to get way cooler. Then it starts ranking up. Kind of like an STX6. When I first got mine, I was like, this is the dumbest thing ever. Then Jordan and Doug and Logan and everybody got one, and my dad. And we went out, and I was like, oh, this is a blast whenever you have 5 or 6 of us out here. So this is probably the same thing. The one problem he did tell me that this had was the steering servo is going out. It makes this really, really weird noise whenever you turn. If you are up against anything, or if the body doesn't want to let it turn, it will not overpower the tires. It will just sit there and go like this. So whatever that is, I'm not sure. This is the battery for the stereo. This is how you charge it. I'm not sure if this is all done up by him or what. Then this does things with the radio thing. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's basically all stock. And it's got, oh, it does have chrome arms on it. I forgot about that part. It's got chrome front arms. So that's kind of cool. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. I may sell it. I will probably end up keeping the sound system off of it and maybe get rid of this. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. This is what the dually back here is actually based off of. I cut it in half, extended it like 11 inches or something, which is the extension that I gave your mother. And then basically, it can be whatever you want it to be. I don't need this by any means, nor do I need another freaking project, but well, it is what it is. So, like I said, it is pretty cool. I just don't really have a point to have it yet. I haven't found its home. So, if you would like to be as gangster as you think you are, go ahead and hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, or Facebook groups. Bullman Built RC across the board if you are interested, or, you know, whatever. If you do have an idea, leave it down in the comments. It is pretty. I'll give it that. This is a nice maroon color with a little sunroof and everything. So, yeah. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you later. Bye.